Good morning, friends. Again, I am back. So today, sorry for getting late. I have not been able to join at 5:30 as I have given you the promise that I will show you something. But today, I am just going to show you some other things. It was just like a Teacher's Day card. I have made one, but with a new concept, that is rotation wheel. I have made one rotation wheel of different qualities of a teacher, that how you have to change your mood and all, that according in the classes how we can change the moods, and the qualities also of every teacher varies. So in the same way, the world is full of diamonds and gems, but we are having some wonderful teachers in the world that has been able to build for new generation kids. And so, because every individual has its own different abilities, different qualities, it takes great courage and compassion and tons of patience to teach. It's not very easy that if anybody will tell ki teaching, you are just teaching, it's fine, but it's very difficult. So whenever eyes see our hands doing the work of our heart, the circle of creation is completed inside us. So this is a rotation of wheel. I will just show you how it turns. You can whenever, if you are having birthdays or anniversaries, you can make this wonderful card for your parents, for any of the dear ones. So you can paste. I have just pasted the qualities or the quotes, but instead of these things you can paste different photographs, pics, different quotes for wishing somebody. So now you just see, first of all I have started with Happy Teachers Day. You will just see that how it moves. Yes, now first it was Happy Teachers Day. Then we have to be brave. Every teacher is powerful. You have to be kind. You are a magic. You have to explore your day. You are radiant. You have to smile. You have to think happy thoughts. It takes a big heart to shape little minds. You are worth it. You have to dream big, and every teacher matters a lot. You are doing a fabulous job. Everyone is inspiring. To teach is to touch a life forever. Thank you for being everything you do for us. And you place a wonderful place in our hearts and everywhere. So it's a rotation wheel. As you can see, it will rotate like this. You can paste your snaps or any of the other things. Yes, see how wonderful it looks. Okay, so this is the rotation wheel. See how it moves. You can put up your snaps or your quotes or everything, and you can make this rotation wheel, and you can decorate it from both the sides. I have just decorated it. So thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet you soon again with some more ideas.